Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Nigeria is going through turbulent times, and everybody now have become a therapist. Everybody now is profiling solution that they feel that if properly harnessed or properly used or put into use rather to make Nigeria a great place and a better place. I've seen different type of solutions, but this one maybe I'm a bit different, or maybe we sit in a different light, but this particular solution has gone very viral. Nigerians have started talking, and they're saying the only way that we can come out of this tension, these problems of insecurity, that is one sure way, and that everybody will be pleased, including in Igbo. It's not left for us to decide. Over to you. In a moment, you'll find out if this is the only solution or not, or if it's a case of advice gone wrong. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is, this young man is a prominent person. Would like to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Decided to say bell notification icon, please by all means click on it to get notified as soon as the update our channel on YouTube. I'm actually all smiles in the house. So Jack Obinyan, the senior special assistant to Governor Obaseki, has endorsed the idea of inter-ethnic marriages, most especially between Igbo and Fulani people. This message was passed across through Jack Obinyan's verified social media page. The idea in full states, in an effort, he said the idea in full, it states this. He said, in an effort to create unity in Nigeria, government should encourage marriages between Igbo. It was very specific. He said between Igbos and Fulanis. Since it all began with the ESN saying they don't want Fulanis in their land, they don't want Fulani herdsmen, the ones that bring so much problem to their land. They are now saying they don't want Fulani herdsmen, the ones that bring problem to their land. They should all leave their forest so that their mothers and fathers and uncles and sisters can use the land and farm. But now it has degenerated to a lot of things right now. So Southeast is now something else. We're trusting the Lord that there will be peace and calm in that region again. But as we speak, to think that this young man will actually bring the two tribes together and saying that they should get married. But let's find out in a moment what he actually said will make this work. He said that the government should encourage marriages between Igbos and Fulanis. Two very specific. He didn't even say Yoruba Fulani. He said Igbos and Fulani because they don't see eye to eye. He said the sum of 5 million naira should be given to such couple as support. That means if you are broke and you are looking for money and you're an Igbo man, go and look for one Fulani woman and get married to, and they'll give 5 million naira. Straight up. And if a Fulani woman is broke, just look for one Goji, one Emeka, Ifeanyi, one Uche, whatever of the southeastern parts, whatever name, or Ikechuku to get married to. All right, and you get 5 million naira. And I asked the question, are you sure this is the solution? But let's continue with the news. Let's specifically, use the words. He said the Nigerian politician believes such an idea is not a bad one as long as it promotes unity amongst ethnic groups. Jack Obinyan's support is following the crisis and agitations that have been emerging across the states. The emerging insecurity the rate is one of the issues contributing to the motive behind various agitation and secessionist groups, though the presidency under Buhari's administration still promotes unity. Well, what's your take on this? A lot of persons have reacted. This is social media is a go. Honestly, I don't know what came over this man's heart. I don't know the ideology that came to his mind. To start with, Indians and the Fulanis are way two different people. I don't know. Maybe with time they get married because but I've seen one or two like Atiku Abubakar. Atiku, that's the former vice president of Nigeria. One of his wives is an Igbo woman. Yes, the man is quite strategic. He practically marries in very strong ethnic groups, so that if he goes to any ethnic group for campaign, he just go with that particular wife. I'm your in-law, and all that. And don't forget that some days back, about a week or so thereabout, the Meitiala president also is looking at getting married to one Enugu girl too. That he will soon get married. That very soon Ndibo will be his in-law. Now this young man is now telling Ndibos and the Fulanis that why not consider this issue of interethnic marriage, so that if you want to do anything, you want to pursue any Fulani man, he's your in-law, But the truth is, except then an Igbo man, when he rejects something, he rejects it even to death. That's how bad it is. Watch the way they even deal with their own. Watch the No matter how the wonderful advice, no matter how perfect the advice of Chief Wazirike is, they reject the message and reject the messenger. Is that bad? If they can do that to their own blood, if they can do that to their own person, if they can do that to their own, the one they grew up with, simply because he derailed and they said no more. How much more somebody they didn't grow up with, someone they see as trying to take away their ancestral land? In fact, if care is not taken, they may even, outcast the family that dares to give their daughter away. Especially if it is in the southeastern zone. That's how bad it is. So you gotta be very careful the advice. First of all, hey, you have to make sure that the two tribes are on the same page. You have to make sure that the two tribes maybe at some point they have sat down on roundtable discussion and they have ironed out their issues. Then they can now think of, okay, can we intermarry? To start with, also vast majority of the Igbos are Christians. All right, and the Fulanis are predominantly Muslims. So if they're going to get married, the woman have to give at some point. Then after the 5 million naira you're giving to the couple, what next? If there's no love now, what happens? They continue with it. But let's just quickly feel the pulse of Nigerians. Honestly, I don't know the kind of idea this man got, where he got this idea from. But to me, it's actually dead on arrival. It won't work. It goes beyond intermarriage. For there to even be intermarriage, there has to be communication, right? There has to be friendly atmosphere, right? These things are not there at all. So for there to be marriage, are you trying to force them to come together? You will worsen it. You're going to worsen it, because at the end of the day, it will bring more wounds, more injury. But let's feel the pulse of Nigeria. This one here is saying, this one here is saying, start it with your son or your daughter, then we will follow. It's like you don't have something to say again, Abby. What happened to Hausa and Yoruba? I said it. The man is just telling him straight up, say, start it with your own son or your own daughter. Why are you putting it to Igbo, Fulani? Why not Hausa and Yoruba? This is serious. This is yes. So will it become federal government job now? So it will be in their constitution now, Abi? So they want to now bring this into constitution. No, they are not bringing it into constitution. It's only suggested. This one here say Igbo with money. If this proposal happen to be true, majority of Igbos will silently and codedly Kito Ito, Efulefu people. See what they are saying now. They say lie. It's like some person. Well, yes, is there nobody who doesn't like money? Every tribe at some point like one dose of money or the other. But I feel in this case the tension is high. They won't try it. If they will do it outside southeast. Maybe they will marry and go to the north. They will definitely not come down to the southeast. Right now, they are you can feel it. It's palpable. You can feel it. Let's put it